Mm, Today we are going to create the brand awareness campaign on Facebook. First, we have to click create and create new campaign, and we have to sell the awareness. Then press continue. In this campaign, we have to give the name of the campaign. So for identifying the brand awareness, I put the capital BA, and we're going to create the campaign regarding Mahindra. Or okay. Then we have to there is an option regarding the categories, but it depends upon the categories like credit, employment, housing, and sociality issues. And so our campaign is not regarding that, so we don't have to sell that. Then there is an alpha beta test is there. It's an optional. We don't have to sell that. We can go into the next phase. This is ad set. We have to give a name regarding to the ad set because we can and make different ad set in a campaign. So identifying our ad set, we have to give a name regarding that. So I'm giving awareness. uh, yeah, cancelled a page. So it's my page, digital person. Then we can there's an option dynamic creating. This provide creative elements, images and headlines. It's automatically put, so it's an option also. We don't have to sell that. We have to put an daily budget. I put the $5, and we can set a date regarding the campaign. Which date we have to show the campaigns. So I prefer third month to um, 1 week. I prefer. Then we can sell the audience. So we can search audience. First, we can sell the audience locations. We can put the audience locations by search. Like we can put like this Bangalore, and also we can other options like we can search like if we select we search India. In India, we get option like this like only included cities. Then we can target the cities based on their populations like above 3 million. Okay, then we can see the top cities like with above 3 million populations. So we can target those cities. Uh, okay, likewise, we can though reduce our the audience reach. Then after that, we can sell the age like 25 to I prefer 25 to 55. I think is the best age group for regarding the purchase vehicle like thar. Then we have to sell the demographics. It's a very important area. So as we are prefer the demographics, we are focusing on the work and industries like administrative services, architect engineering, people with engineering, architects, and business and finance, arts and entertainment, sports, okay, decision makers, business decision makers, and farming, fishing, computations, okay, and IT decision makers regarding top roles, legal services, and employees, medium businesses, okay, people with roles in sales, and we can sell this is different job roles. Then we can narrow down the audiences by choosing this option. Okay, then uh, browse interest. Okay, interest we can search the um, hobbies like vehicles. Okay, automobile. Then it become audience become now arrow down to 1.1 million. Okay, then we can again it's further narrow down by in browse. We can go to the behaviors like travels, frequent travelers. Okay, then we can it's become a nice audience around 2.5, 2.9 millions. Then we can go to the our next option. Uh, it's advantage placement. It's an new option. Like new option is showing like the star. Then we can sell the optimizations of like if we sell the reach in the reach that shows the maximum people like the its potential of the campaign actually it is if in the impression they will be narrow down the means they will show a perfect audience again. So I prefer impression, so it will give you the more conversions. Then we can put a bid control and amount. Then we can go to the next. And this also we can give a ad name. Like, yeah. Then we can select a page for Instagram. It's my page. Then in created we can prefer single image carousel collections. Single images. I'm preferring the single images. Then we have to we can sell and if we need a call to action button, we can sell that a destination. Okay, then we can add the call to action button to this. Here we can edit. We can go to website. We can add here website. After adding website, after selecting website, you can see the call to action. In that, here I preferring the book now. Okay, then we have to edit the media. We can okay done. Okay, it's done. Then we can add our website. Copy, paste. Our website we can see the preview of the ad here. Yeah, look now. Okay. So in this we have other options like WhatsApp also we can add and instant experiences is there that also we can add according to your priority. Okay, this is how we create the brand awareness campaign. Thank you.